So basically, I am someone like many people. After the release of ChatGPT, only I realized the opportunities in AI. So I am hearing about this AI from my graduation time onwards, but nothing really spark on me. So and now I am building my own company, and uh, here I am with some of my insights about this multi-agent system. And first of all, I would like to thank all the coordinators, especially Max, for inviting to me. And okay, one second. Okay, so starting from the beginning, like basics. So AI agents, as you know, it's a digital assistant which have a brain. So uh, it understand the question, work on it, and give an output. So basically, it is super powerful, but it has some limitations. Coming like when we add more context into it, the prompt will be more complex and it will go for confusions. So these are these limitations of this AI agent, single AI agent system. So the first thing is like as we are giving all the tasks to the single AI agent, there is no specialization for the agent. So it is limited with the specialization, and also as the prompt increases, the complexity will be more and it will be overwhelmed. And coming to the scalability, uh, already the system prompt is too much complex. So if you're trying to add much more functionality into that, it will get one second. Okay. It will keep on increasing the complexity, so it's like lower scalable, and also as it is not a specialized one and it is really overwhelmed, it is we can't keep on relying on a single agent. So we are coming up with the topic multi-agent system. One second. Yeah. So multi-agent system is like a group of agents working together to complete a specific task. So I'll simplify this multi-agent system theory like consider you're plan to conduct a family get together or party or something. So first you will divide all the tasks among your family members. So your mother, who is expert or specialist in main dishes, so she will prepare this main dish. And your dad, he is of course other specialist who will be grilling in doing the grilled work like vegetables or meats. And your sibling who having an artistic sense, so he will be dealing with the table setting and all, and you are dealing with the salad. So this is exactly how the AI agent, like multi-agent system, is working. Instead of doing all the tasks by one person, the task is divided among the specialists. So we will get a more efficient result, more like better result in a faster way. Similarly, in AI agent, as each agent is specialized in many things, one thing like it will be having a more efficient result. And um, again, got stuck. Okay, coming to its features, the first feature is its autonomy because each specialized agent is working independently towards the task, and the agents are communicating the information among themselves to make sure that the communication is seamless for the user, so its communication is good. And coming to cooperation and coordination, as these agents are connected, they're having a collaboration among themselves. uh, and also scalability, if a new function is coming, we just need to add one more agent or something like that, so that we can easily scale the system. And as I said, it is each agent is specialized on different tasks, and we are also, as it is a specialized thing, we can rely more on this type of agents. So wrapping up this theory section, we can build something. I will show you a demo in WAPI with Squad. So here I am planning with, by the way, any questions like with the theory section? Is there any questions for anyone? Okay, okay. Okay, so we are going with the practical section. Like, I am building a restaurant system. So this restaurant system has mainly three agents. We can build as many as we like. So three agents. The first one, the host agent, which is named as Tom. So Tom will deal with all the incoming calls first. So most of the clients of this restaurant are calling for reserving a table. So he's also dealing with the reservation system. And if the client requires to make the order, he'll transfer the call first to the waitress, who is Tessa, waitress agent. And if the client want to give any feedback or complaint or something, he will transfer the call to the manager, Martin. And these two agents can also communicate among themselves. So all these three agents can access the CRM in common, and so they know the information about the client. And here I am using a hierarchy structure for this, because mostly a multi-agent system fails when we don't have a hierarchy among themselves. If all agents can communicate to all other agents, means they might fail. So let's take the WAPI next. Yes, WAPI. This is the first page. So when we take the dashboard, here you can create the assistance. So I have already created, I hope you all know this WAPI tool. It's like a intermediate level tool. So for creating voice agents, so first we are taking Tom. So Tom can have the components like model, transcriber, voice, function, advanced, and analysis. So inside the model section, we are giving the prompt for this. First of all, let me say this prompt is not a perfect one, like I just created from this ChatGPT. So basically, when we are creating a prompt, we have to focus on the divisions like identity, style, its roles and responsibilities, and also task and goals. So we need to be concise with that things. And also it is preferred like giving a sample data of how the conversation will be going. So here Tom is handling with the reservation system. So he will welcome the client, and he's asking for the preferred date and time of the client for reserving the table. And he will validate the date and time. If the client is saying a past time, like yesterday, he asking for today, like that he is asking, he has to validate the date. And if he is giving, the client is giving a perfect, like a valid date, the Tom will call a tool called get reservation. And he will okay, if the client wants to make the order through the call, means he will hand over the call to the Tessa, the waitress. And of course, other thing is like, if the caller want to talk to the manager, he will transfer the call to the manager. And these are the tasks and goals dealt by the Tom. And you might be knowing the transcriber, we will describe all the um, text, speech to text conversions. So we are giving the provider, language, and model. And voice section, we are defining all this. And inside the function section, we are adding the tool. Um, here adding the tool, and advanced section, and analysis. So I'll go to the tool section and show you how it is. So here is the tool, get reservation. So this tool is got integrated with one of the automation platform, Make. So here we are setting up a appointment, and from here we will get the link API key for the integration, not API key, I mean the address. And coming back to WAP, WAPI. So we are getting the data like name of the customer, total number of people, and preferred date and time. And other assistant is Tessa. So Tessa is dealing with the order, just, taking the order. So I have uploaded a document to Tessa, like what all dishes it have for various time, like for breakfast, dinner, everything. We have uploaded a knowledge base to it. So actually, we could also upload a knowledge base to Tom also regarding the various information about the restaurant, like basic informations. So here I have added a one, and it also can transfer the call to Martin if they want, if it's a caller wanted. And what else? So it will take the order, and it will also calculate the total cost of the order and inform the customer. And it is also calling another tool called get order. So inside get order, we are collecting information like dishes name, total cost, and also if something like special notes, like if the dish want to be gluten free or something like that, we are taking the notes on that. And next one is Martin, is the manager. Martin will deal with all the feedback, complaints, everything. So he can also transfer the call to Tessa. So this is a simple case, like it can be anything like more complex in a real restaurant situation, but I have created this for the demo purpose. As I said before, like the prompt is not at all perfect. You have to make it perfect when you are creating the real case. So I just copied it from the ChatGPT. And coming to Squad. So Squad is actually a orchestral layer created by this WAPI for making this multi-agent system. So here we have connected Tom to both Martin and Tessa, and this Martin and Tessa are connected among themselves. And inside Tom, we can define its messages, like when transferring the call, we can say that I will transfer the call to the manager, Mr. Martin. So otherwise it will say like, okay, I will transfer the call, just like that. So instead, to make it more like a human, we are saying like this, I will transfer the call to the manager. And we are also giving the description of the situation when the Tom has to transfer the call. Also, similarly, we have defined for Tesla also. And for every agent, we can define that. So I will show you how to create a squad first. First, new squad, and we can add a member. So I'm adding Tom itself. So create squad. So here it is. And we can add more agents to it. So Tessa, where's Tessa? Tessa, Martin. Okay. Now we can connect. I mean, it's simple. Like we are drawing a picture. Is it like a drawing a picture? And Tom to Martin, and these two can connect with themselves. It's like this. And definitely we can give the description and message here for each agent which is connected to them. So that's a squad. And so here, here we have created all the assistants and the squad in the WAPI interface itself. So this can't handle a dynamic data, like the flow of like um, for example, if you are taking information about the customer from the previous records, means we need a dynamic agent or dynamic squad. So for that, we need to get the JSON of the squad, and we need to create like a workflow inside the automation platform. So for that, getting as JSON, you might know, like inside the document section, we have API reference. So inside API reference, get squad. So after creating the squad inside in the WAPI interface, we can get authorized with this, and we will get all the JSON of the squad, copy that and go to the automation platform and do all the dynamic mapping so that you will get a dynamic agent or dynamic squad for your system. So, what about any questions till now? So, hope no one has a question. Um, so, let's make a demo call. Let's run this. Run. I have 3 scenarios for this. So, each agent is calling each different scenarios. Yeah, I don't understand. So let me make a call.
I am Tom. Thanks for calling Bloom Table. How can I help you?
Hi Tom, I want to reserve a table.
Great. I can assist you with that. May I have your name, please?
Okay, my name is Babu.
Thanks, Babu. What date and time would you like to reserve?
Okay, tomorrow at 7:30 p.m.
Just a moment, please. Let me check that for you. Today is January 9th, 2025 at 8:18 p.m. I noticed that the time you've mentioned is in the past. Unfortunately, we can only schedule reservations for future time. Could you provide another time that works for you?
Okay, Tom, can you book a table for me for tomorrow at 7:30 p.m.?
I'm sorry for the confusion. Let's try that again. All right, I've got that for tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. How many people will be joining you?
3.
Hold on a sec. Your table is reserved for tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. for 3 people. Would you like to place your order now or at the restaurant?
Yeah, I would like to order the order now.
Got it. I will transfer you to Tessa to take your order. Just a moment, please. I will transfer the call to Tessa, who can help you with making food order. Hello, I'm Tessa, your virtual waiter. How can I assist you today?
Hi Tessa, I would like to make the order for my dinner.
For dinner, we have options like grilled salmon with asparagus, filet mignon with garlic butter, Bloom's vegetarian lasagna, roasted chicken with herb potatoes, lobster ravioli and cream sauce, Thai red curry with jasmine rice, shrimp scampi linguine, Bloom's seasonal vegetable platter, chocolate lava cake, tiramisu, and a selection of red or white wine. Let me know if you'd like details on any specific dish.
Okay, Tessa, go ahead with roasted chicken and red wine.
Got it. 1 roasted chicken with herb potatoes and a glass of red wine. Let me confirm your order. 1 roasted chicken with herb potatoes and a glass of red wine. Is that correct?
Yes.
Just a sec. Your total comes to $26.48. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, okay.
All right. Your order has been placed. Thank you for choosing Bloom Table.
Okay, Tessa, I would like to talk to your manager too.
I will transfer the call to the manager.
Thank you for calling Bloom Table. This is Martin. How may I assist you today?
Hi Martin, I would like to give you feedback about your system.
Of course. Could you please share your feedback with me?
Your system is working pretty good.
Thank you for sharing that. On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate your experience regarding this matter?
Okay, I will give 4.
We appreciate your rating. Do you have any suggestions for us to improve?
Nothing like that. Thank you.
Just a sec. much for your valuable feedback. We look forward to serving you better in the future.
So that's our case. All our scenarios got run. And let's check our Google Sheet. See here, the data is updated by each agent. So this much is updated by Tom, and this is updated by Tessa, and here this is updated by Martin. And of course, we got a yeah, our appointment is booked in the Google Calendar. So coming back, that's our system. So now, anyone have any questions?